Hey guys, welcome back to our Porsche restoration project. Today in this video we're going to do something a little bit different and take a break from our usual technical aspect of the build. We're actually going to go on a road trip, so don't know how this is going to go. We're going to give it a try. Where we're headed off to, we're going to go to Escondido, California, about a 5-hour drive from here. It is Friday, traffic's going to be heavy. What we want to do, we want to get there before they close and take a look at some of the upholstery we're hopefully ready to pick up for the rest of our project. I'm looking at front seat cover sets, door panels, and a couple other miscellaneous bits and pieces we need to pick up there. Also, hopefully we can hunt down Dorian and he can show us around and tell us a little bit about their operation. And then after that, the following day, Saturday, we're going to go on down to San Diego. They have a Zone 8 Porsche Concours on the bay, so that should be real fun to go check out some real nice cars down there. And it looks like it's going to be a real beautiful sunny day. So anyhow, let's get going before we get caught up in traffic, and I'll see you in Escondido. All right, almost loaded and ready to go. Gotta get gas. All right, Starbucks coffee break. Next stop, Autos International. So we've arrived at our first destination. Let's go inside and check it out. So here we are inside the shop. Let's go find Dorian and find out a little bit more about the operation. All right, so we found our man Dorian. Dorian is the shipping and sales manager for the operation. Perhaps you can tell us a little bit more.
Yeah, so I've been here for about 15 years. My dad actually started with the company in '77 when they opened, and it's been going strong ever since then. You know, as you can see, we're busy. You know, as always, we got lots of stuff we ship out to customers all over the world, all over the country.
Do you do any international shipping?
We do international shipping, a lot of local shipping, and you know, we're well known all over the world. So.
Okay, and then so how does the shipping part of it work? So let's just say I'm living in a different country. I just want to see cover sets, national set. We just sell that, package it.
Yeah.
How does it work with customers?
Yeah. So typically, you know, a customer would order phone or email, and we make it as original. We make everything as original. Try to do the best we can, and we pretty much ship it out to them, to wherever, Australia. We even ship to Germany, you know, Saudi Arabia, you name it. We've done a lot of crazy things.
You do just about everything for Porsche. Is there anything regarding Porsche that you don't do?
Mechanical work. We don't do anything.
All interiors.
Only interiors.
Porsche. Anything outside of Porsche?
Yes and no. You know, right now we're just too busy. We're trying to just concentrate on Porsches.
And so what would be the specialty car that you do most, like 356, Speedster?
You know, it's pretty funny because they come in waves. One month we'll have 911s, next month we'll have 356s. It's really weird like that.
And so what would you say percentage of your business is that you do the whole car versus a customer like me comes in and wants to do cars and he does it himself, do it yourself? Because most of who we're talking to is going to be a do it yourself.
Yeah, it's probably about 50-50.
Really?
Yeah, I would say, yeah.
Well, we appreciate you taking care of us at our project.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, well, thanks a lot, Dorian.
Right,
Perhaps you
good
can
seeing
show us some of the cars?
Yeah, definitely. Okay,
Great.
sounds good. This right here is a 356 Speedster. Customer brought it back in. There was a few things that we have to adjust for the customer.
Beautiful car.
Customers brought it back after he won a few awards in some shows. He already won. We're redoing a boot for him. And we did the whole interior in this Speedster: seats, the carpet, dash, convertible top.
So you did this originally how long ago?
It's been about a year.
Yeah, it looks great. You get a little glare coming in on the other side, but the detail work is just phenomenal.
We try to keep everything as original as possible.
So this is all original colors, original materials.
Yep. This right here is 1961 Cabriolet. We did a complete interior for this one. Originally, this would not have a zipper window. 64, 65 have zipper windows, but customer wanted the zipper window. A lot of customers want zipper windows in their earlier cars to make it easier to unzip the window, not destroy the rear window, and to put the top down. So a lot of people ask for the zipper window.
So the purpose of the zipper is to put the top down with a little bit more ease?
Yes, without ruining the window.
Okay.
Yeah, because the older ones, you know, they just fold down. But we did everything from the chrome to, you know.
So you send out chrome?
We send out the chrome, we take the recliners apart, we put them back together.
Take a look at the inside here, the working.
Yeah, this one came out really nice.
Beautiful detail work. Top quality, Dorian.
Try to do our best.
I'm a real stickler, and I tell you what, this looks absolutely perfect.
I believe I have some stuff for you.
All right, let's go.
If you want to go check it out,
Let's
I got
go.
your stuff over here waiting.
Let's see it.
Let's go. Okay. All right, Mike.
All right, looks like my stuff.
This
huh?
is your stuff right here. So this is for the armrest. As you can see, we try to get as close as possible. Some people don't see this, but it's the grain that matters and the sheen to the vinyl. We try to get as close as possible to original. And this is what we've come up with throughout the years.
That's a good match.
Yeah.
I put it right up against the original.
Yeah, it looks really good, doesn't it? Okay, so these are your armrests.
I think that's important too because you see a restoration, it goes to that much work, it's not original, it doesn't look like original.
Right.
Kind of a lot of work.
Yeah.
Like there.
Exactly. Okay, so these headrests, 67 was actually the last year they stopped making these, and from there they started putting the ones with the posts that go inside the seats.
Oh, okay. Back mount. Last year for the back mount.
Yes, yes. So this would be, you know.
Looks great. And you have the injection foam core for these?
I do. We do have those.
Okay. Great.
Not
I'll
a
take
thought.
2 of those.
I don't know if I have any thought.
Okay.
But okay, so these, you know, these are for the seat bottoms.
Mm-hmm.
This is how you know how they were done back in the days, where they pretty much get stapled onto the seat bottoms,
Okay.
and when you have them in your seat pan, you know, this gets stapled on and gets folded down inside your seat pan.
Yeah, I know that.
So yeah, so you know, we've got the original basket weave. That's how they make the basket weave. You know, it's not identical, but it's as close as that we're gonna get.
It's pretty darn right on the money.
Mm-hmm.
That really looks great.
You like that?
Yeah.
All right. Next, your
the back seat wrapper.
seat bottom skirts, the rear seat bottom skirts.
So now, is this supposed to be carpet on this side, or
Yes.
should it be vinyl?
No, carpet on that side, on the back side, and vinyl on the
Okay, so
inside.
this is the side for the
Yes.
seat,
Uh-huh.
and this goes up. And the purpose of this is to get a little traction.
Yeah, so it sticks onto the back of the seat firewall.
Looks good.
All right, ready?
Door pins.
Got some door panels.
Those look great. Wow, those. Oh man,
Yep.
that's getting exciting, man. Look at
Yeah,
that.
so
Beautiful.
come out really nice.
And isn't some of the models we have like a flat
yeah.
pocket, and some of them have like a
Yeah, so
like an outer?
so these ones are the flat ones, and then there are another ones that where it bulges out right here. That's, you know, same thing. 65, 67 had these kind of pockets.
Beautiful. Well, Dorian, I sure appreciate all the help. You guys are gonna. I imagine you can't wait to see the finished
Yeah,
results.
definitely.
Need something for your Porsche? Give Dorian a call. He'll take care of you. Okay, guys, so there's an inside look at Autos International. Next stop, San Diego. Well, here we are in beautiful sunny San Diego, Zone 8 Concours. Let's go check out some cars. Oh, yeah.
Have you ever used their products?
Yes,
You don't like them? to leave a film?
Yes.
No good.
My product, we use it on the windows.
Wow, this was all set up for the track. You've got a cute girl goes with it.
I think that's about what I have.
Beautiful 550 replica. What a fun car this would be. Really well done. Hey guys, enjoying the Concours?
How's it going?
Is your car?
It's this guy right
There we go. I'm being judged right now. So can you tell us a little bit about it?
here. Well, it's sat in the garage for what, 32 years?
32 years?
Yeah. Sat in a mechanic shop in Tijuana for 32 years.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's gorgeous. Who
Yeah.
did the restoration?
A gentleman named Dave Bustamante. He's out of Lake Havasu now.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Beautiful. You guys also have the 550.
The 550 Spider right over there, yes. Yeah, this is, we just got done restoring it. It took 2 years. And this is the first time we're taking it out. First time we're taking it out. And we'll see how it does on the judging.
All right, well, good luck.
Hopefully it wins, yeah.
Should be well. Bye, everyone. Good to see you.
Have a great rest of your day, guys.
Both of them. Here.
Completely original. Look at that heat. Wow, here's a beautiful car. Looks like a 1966. The paint on this one is just unbelievable. Gorgeous restoration. So this is David. He's going to tell us a little bit about this beautiful 66 911.
Good afternoon. Yeah, this is our 66 911. We've had it for about 35 years. We're one of 8 owners, obviously the last ones, and we just took it through restoration. It was completed about a year ago. Restoration process
beautiful
took
job.
about 2.5 years. Thank you. It's been a conglomeration of work through a lot of very, very talented individuals. We had the body and major mechanical and the paint taken care of by Best of Show Coachworks in Escondido.
Oh, our friends at Escondido.
Yes, absolutely.
So you know Dorian at Autos International?
Yes,
also?
I do. Yes, I do. In fact, they're the folks who did the interior.
Ah,
So
no wonder it caught my eye. The interior in this thing
go
is
ahead
gorgeous.
and
Look
take
at that.
a look at that.
Oh, man. It looks good enough to eat. Look at the dash work on that. Yeah, their work really is just immaculate. You get every little
They do
detail.
excellent work.
And so this is a leather interior.
Yes, it is.
Beautiful soft colors.
This is the way the color that came from the factory. They call it brown leatherette in Porsche terms.
Just learned from Dorian that on 68 they went to the headrests that go down in the seats, and this one actually came equipped with the back-mounted headrest.
That's correct. The 66s and 65s had the rear-mounted headrests. In 68, as you mentioned, they went to the center-mounted style that we're all familiar with.
Okay.
So in taking the car back, because when we purchased it years back, someone had changed the seats out to a 68 configuration.
All right.
So, which basically made a slightly narrower seat and the standard headrest. This particular configuration is more like a 356. It's a wider square seat back, and then of course the headrest as well.
And so you're competing in the wash and shine?
That's
category?
correct. Yes, we are. Coming up on the second judging of the vehicle now.
All right.
Apparently did well the first time around. They had
Down
two
to the
different
nitty-gritty.
Yeah, they had two different teams judging, and so one team initially judged the vehicle, and now to compare notes, the second team's going to come in and take a look at the same vehicle. They'll probably average out the score, and then we'll see what happens.
All right, well, good luck with it.
I
Thanks
appreciate
for sharing your car with us.
Absolutely, my pleasure. Thank you.
Looks like our judges aren't going to miss anything.
You want me to pull the tag out of the window? No,
Here's a beautiful 68 912. All original, everything matching numbers.
Is this yours?
Gorgeous.
You found it in a barn in Connecticut?
Oh, that's so cute. So that's it for our Zone 8 Concours. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.